beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super exciting video. We're going to be trying out the brand new Beauty new romantic palette. This is what she looks like. It literally launched this week on Beauty Bay for £15. As you can tell by the whole kind of theme of it, it is more of their like Valentine's Day collection. And they also brought out some like liquid eyeshadows as well, but that's just not my jam. They looked very dark as well, so it wouldn't be something that I would use. So I thought I'd save my money and just get the eyeshadow palette instead. And this is what she looks like. If you are new here, by the way, I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really does help out my channel, and turn that notification bell on as well, just so you're notified when I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, but half the time I do a load of bonus videos anyway. Let's start with swatches and then we'll put it on my eyeballs. So we have, from the first two rows, Vanilla, Birthday, Oyster, Flamingo, Lingerie, Milkshake, I think it's Chinks, I don't know, Claret, Queen, and then Smoothie. And can I just say, this shimmers and this, unbelievable. The mattes are gorgeous, really, really smooth, but the shimmers, wow. Can I just say, this is a palette that makes me so excited to get it on my eyes. So the last two rows we have Penny, Embers, Raspberry. Honestly, these glitters are like butter. They're unbelievable. Mars, Royal, oh my god, gorgeous. Muffin, Khaki, beautiful. Saddle, oh, I've missed one. Ink, I forgot to do Valentine. Let me do that one whilst I'm talking to you. Valentine is a bit more of a, what do you know, it's going to focus? A bit more of a darker shimmer. Honestly, look at it. Oh, beautiful. Honestly, this palette just makes me so excited. Let's just get it straight on my eyeballs. So to begin with, I've just prepped my eyes as normal with the P. Louise base in the shade number 2. I have just tried this Wonder Wax, just in case you're wondering why my brows look a little bit cray-cray. Don't know how I feel about it. I'm going to ride this one out though. This one's for you, Becky. I'm riding it out to see what, and for Lucy as well, to see what my makeup looks like at the end of it as well. And Rebecca, because I know Rebecca uses it too. Okay, so to begin with, I'm going to go in with this shade here. It's called Smoothie. And I'm just going to take a Ted Baker kind of fluffy packing brush. I'm just going to put it on the end of the brush. And I'm going to pop this straight into my crease. Honestly, the pigmentation when I swatched this palette was just, wow. The shimmers and stuff, I can't wait to get it all on my eyeballs. So as you can see, I'm just going to lightly start building this up. So now we've got a little bit of a shape down. I'm going to go in with this shade Flamingo, which is a bit of a lighter pink. And I'm going to take a MAC 217 brush. Look at me being all bougie with my MAC 217. I actually got this in a discounted shop. I ain't that rich. So I'm just going to take this and lightly blend out these edges. And I'm going to take my time with this and try and get my blend so it looks super, super cute. You girls really trying. I don't know if you've been looking at my Instagram recently. It is linked down below, but it's literally just my name, Luce Stephenson. But yeah, I've been really trying to up my makeup skills. So I'm hoping that's kind of coming across on camera and stuff recently. I am so impressed with how this is blending out. It's making my life so much easier. So I'm going to go in with an even lighter shade. So we're going to go in with Birthday, which is this one here, if you can see it. And I'm just going to take a little Profusion fluffy brush. I'm just going to lightly take a bit on the end of the brush, tap it off with my little dirty towel that I've got on my table, and just lightly, like literally tickle the ends of the shadow. Okay, so now that I'm happy with that blend, I'm going to go in with the shimmer in Queen. Oh my god, this looks beautiful. I'm literally just going to use my finger to apply this because I know I always find that they go on so much better with your finger anyway. And I'm just going to apply this straight onto the eye. I'm going to have to dig my finger in a little bit more because I didn't really pick up much. Oh my god, this is actually beautiful. It's not coming off on my eye as much as it does on my finger, because look at it there. Ooh, a bit focused on my face. Look at it there and then look at it on my eye. It doesn't seem to kind of go on as well. It's a little bit better. Oh my god, that is beautiful. So I'm going to put this on both of my eyes. Oh, okay, that looks so much better. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Claret. I don't know. This one here. And I'm going to put that in my outer corners, and then I'll be back with you in a second. Just to deepen up this outer corner just ever so slightly, because I have gone in with that darker one, but I do feel like the shades kind of just blend together, so I need a little bit more depth. So I think I'm going to take a little bit of Mars and see what that's like. I'm thinking I might need to take a little bit of ink, which is the black, but hopefully that dark brown will give us just that little bit of depth that I feel like is missing from it. They literally, the shades just blend together. I've got quite a lot of fallout from that glitter, but we can just wipe it off, like that doesn't bother me. And I did really, really like kind of scrape it and pack it on. So I'm going to take a little bit of ink and just put this a little bit closer to the lash line. But yeah, I'm just going to deepen that up, and I'm going to finish off the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and show you my finished look and what we've kind of gone for, and we'll see what my overall thoughts are of the palette as well. And I'll probably put the same colours that I've got on the top just underneath too. I think what I might do as well, I'll do that now whilst she's still here, while I bugger it off. I think I'll put some on the inner corner, so I'm just going to take a little Morphe, what even are you? Oh, I don't actually know, it hasn't got the number on it, but just a little tiny Morphe brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Oyster, which is the lightest shimmer that's in the palette. This looks beautiful, and I'm going to take a little bit of that and put that in my inner corner. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. So I'm going to pop that in, and then I'll finish off the rest of my face, and I'll be back with you in a sec. So this is the finished look using the brand new Beauty Bay New Romantic palette. I am actually obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed with how this has turned out. Just, this palette is beautiful. There's so much that you could do with it as well. I feel like you can do like, and I feel like I'm saying this a lot with like eyeshadow palettes recently. I feel like you can do a really, really grungy look with this. I must just really be into that kind of Jamie Genevieve vibes, because you can definitely do some gorgeous grungy looks, a purple look, and more like brown with like a copper eye. And then, oh yeah, there's just like, this one looks beautiful. Oh, I feel like I need to do some more tutorials with this palette, because there's just so much in there that I feel like I can play with. I think they've absolutely smashed it. I feel like Beauty Bay are just doing so well with their own palettes. I do have the Book of Magic one, which I know has been discontinued. I think it was like a Christmas, well, it was a Christmas exclusive one, and I never got around to doing a video on it, but I really want to. So if you want me to, please let me know in the comments, because I will definitely do that for you as well. If you're wondering at all about the rest of my makeup, because I'm not going to lie, this foundation looks flawless. This is the brand new Huda Flawless Filter foundation, like the reformulated one. So that'll be coming on my channel very, very, very soon. Might even be tomorrow that I'll put that up, because I really want to show you what this looks like. And I set everything with the Huda Beauty powder foundation, not powder foundation, the powder setting. Oh my god, the setting powder from Huda Beauty as well. I used a little Revolution one for underneath my eyes. I used the Huda Beauty Tantor just with me using the foundation. I use like my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and Dark Tan as always. The blusher that I use, which is actually a really nice one, this is from the Flower Beauty brand, and this is the Warm Hibiscus blusher, which is just gorgeous. But for my lips, which I think is going to be the main one that people are going to wonder about, because you know what I'm like with my lip combinations, I can't help it. So we have the Doll Beauty Lips Don't Lie lip liner, the MAC Frost Angel lipstick, so it's from their Frost formula, and then just to lighten up a little bit more in the middle, I put on some of the Doll Beauty lip gloss in #Gobby. So that's a little weird combination that I've got on. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think of the look that I created, whether you want to do some more videos on this. Because I'm definitely, like, there's literally 3 more looks that pop into my head looking at this palette. And that's so rare for that to happen to me, because I normally am a bit like iffy about what colours to put together, but this really, really excites me. So yeah, I'll leave it linked down below if you do want to check it out. Thank you. Oh my god, I've got glitter all over me. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to my patrons for being absolutely lovely and for getting us through this kind of weird times as well. We've been sending like motivational quotes and stuff every morning, and yeah, it's just been absolutely lush. If you want to join, I'll leave the link down below. There'll also be like a little video link down below on how to join too. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully probably see you tomorrow for a brand new video. I should hope so anyway. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye bye.